So there's these shoes that I like, right? They're called the Off-White Air Force One. The thing is, right, I really want them, but you know what I mean, like they're 1700, and I was like, bro, like I really want them, but like, you know what I mean, like, you know, like I've got some Air Force White here, an all white pair, you see, just a bland all white pair of Air Force Ones. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making my own Air Force Off-Whites on a budget using these, and then I'm going to be cartoonifying them. So you've seen I've done it a couple times now where, like, you know, I made them look like cartoon shoes. I'm going to be making some homemade Off-White Air Force look like homemade Off-White cartoonified Air Force. That's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. With that being said, let's get straight into the custom. Hope you enjoy. Let's go. So this is what they look like, completely finishing, cartoonified, custom Off-White Air Force Ones. You can see they got like the sketch marks going on them, and you have like the black outlines and stuff with the faux leather silver swoosh. And then I got like a bag, and then I cut it out, and then I stuck it where the swoosh is as well. So yeah, I think they look kind of similar. They don't look exactly the same, but I hope for like a custom, I think they do look pretty similar. But yeah, make sure to let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. Do you think they look similar, and would you rock them? Make sure to let me know down below. Today's comment shout out goes to Mitchell. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe down below for more videos from me, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Also, one more thing, the giveaway for the comic book Spider-Man Air Force Ones is still going on. You got until August the 1st. Make sure you enter. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.